on me. Promise that you never be lonely.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, as you saw in the title, I'll be showing you a recipe how to basically tighten sagging breasts. I'm using natural plants, natural herbs like aloe vera. So I did a few research, and the truth, before I go into the point, the truth that most women do not want to accept is that yes, we will have sagging breasts. First of all, age is a #1 factor. As we aging, our skin changes, and naturally our skin starts to age, and that causes a lot of wrinkles, and having wrinkles on your boobs will be noticeable, and that makes your boobs sag. Breastfeeding is a second factor. Breastfeeding your kids. When a woman is pregnant, the woman goes through a cycle of 9 months, and during that 9 months your breast becomes really pumped up with milk. So with some women, their boobs are double the size, others is like 1.5. Extreme cases, their boobs 3 times the original size. They go up 3 bra cups. So basically, after you breastfeed, your boobs basically goes back to its natural state, and that means that the skin stretched first of all to make the boobs look double what it used to be, and because the baby sucked the breasts, the skin then turns to shrink back to its original size, and that causes sagging of breasts. Wrong bra sizes, aging, sagging. Let me see more factors: breastfeeding, pregnancy, and finally sudden loss of weight. If you have gained weight in the past, I used to be thicker than what I was before, and I became really skinny, and I am okay now. I'm just normal now. But one thing I realized is that whenever I put on weight, my boobs are very big, and when I reduce my weight, my boobs, they are not as big as it used to be, but it's still big. It's still there. Get what I mean? Yeah, and that for some women, let's say if you're a size 12 and you all of a sudden gain weight and you become a size 24, basically double the size, and you lose the weight and you move back to size 12, I'm sorry, but your boobs are going to sag because you stretch the skin, and once the skin stretches, it sags. I'm sorry, but that's the honest truth. So aloe vera in recent years, or in past years, or recent, it's proven to be a natural substance that heals the skin. It heals sunburns, it helps with the skin pores. In most cases, it helps with hyperpigmentations and a lot. So aloe vera helps heal the skin. So as I'm growing, I'm in my 30s now, I did a lot of research and I realized that. So basically what you do is you bring your aloe vera, cut it, scrape the gel off it, place it in a container. Cucumber, I know I didn't put that at the title, but cucumber is also another. Let me read a little bit about it. Cucumber has a natural skin toning properties that helps, and it has vitamins in it that will help treat your sagging breast. So what I do is I basically grate cucumber. I grate it, or you can blend it, mix with your aloe vera gel, and apply it on your boobs every blessed day for about 15 minutes to 30 minutes. You will notice a difference because all these aloe vera, cucumber has natural ingredients in tightening skin, and it really does help. And this is not something that is going to happen overnight, but if you consistently do it every day, within a week you should see a difference. I have a lot of information about this cucumber thing. Cucumber is also used for facial mask because it helps tighten the face if you want to look younger. So hope you viewers did really enjoy this video and I gave you more information that you needed. I'll see you viewers in my next. Try it, and if you have before, then you know that it works. Consistency is the key. I'll see you viewers in my next. Have a lovely evening, morning, afternoon, whichever country you're from. Stay blessed.